The door panel is attached to the door with 4 screws. The first 2 screws are located under the cover of the armrest. Lever the cover outwards and remove it. Remove the screws underneath. The third screw is located under the SRS airbag cover. Don't worry when taking it off, you won't come into contact with the airbag. Remove the screw underneath. The fourth screw is near the door lock. Remove the screw and take off the small cover. Remove the inner mirror cover. Pry out the cover on the front and then remove and unplug the cover. Now the door panel is only attached to the door with clips. Pull the panel away from the door sharply and jerkily. Useful tool for removal linked in the description. After all clips have been released, pull the panel up out of the window shaft. Pull the Bowden cable of the door handle backwards and thread it out of the guide. Then unhook the cable. Disconnect the central plug directly from the control unit. Remove the lighting at the bottom of the panel and then unplug it. That's it. Good luck doing it yourself.